Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how to order in HelloFresh. It is a convenient meal delivery service that brings fresh ingredients and delicious recipes. So first you will have to go to hellofresh.com, and once you are here, you will see a button Get Started. Click on it and then put your zip code here and then click Continue. Here you will select your plan. Now, HelloFresh offers different meals to suit your lifestyle. So, things like meat and veggies, only veggie, family friendly, fit and wholesome, the 20 minutes, and pescatarian. So, you can choose any of these and even multiple if you want. So, let's just choose fit and wholesome, and then you can select the number of people you want it for. And after selecting, you can select the number of recipes per week, and after you have selected everything, it will show you a total cost. If you are okay with it, then select this plan and it will go to this page. Now here you have to register your new account, but if you already have it, then you can simply log in. Now after you have logged in, you will go to the next step where you have to put in your address where all the meals will be delivered. The next step will be the checkout where you will pay and then you will select the meal. And that's how simple it is to order on HelloFresh. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button and subscribe for more.